Hello, this is Annalisa from Faith Dream Create, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a St. Patrick's Day decor piece. So I'm going to be creating some banners for St. Patrick's Day, and I'm going to be using this Valentine's Day banner as a template to cut the banner on the angle. So I'm using some gloss paper. I believe it is like Yupo paper, but I picked it up at the thrift store, so I'm going to be using it with some alcohol inks today. So the reason why I am creating some St. Patrick's Day banners is I decided to decorate for St. Patrick's Day this year because I'm also a homeschool mom. So I thought, why not decorate for St. Patrick's Day? I want to share these traditions and this holiday and celebration with my children, and we have some Irish roots as well. So I thought it would be fun to decorate. And I picked up a few pieces from Dollar Tree to decorate with, but they did not have the piece that I wanted for my kitchen. So I decided to make it. So I'm going to put on some music. I have sped this next footage up. I ended up making 2 of the banners, so you can watch my process, and I'll have all of the supplies listed down below in the description box. And I'm using 2 alcohol inks in green colors, and then I'm using the alloy gilded to give it that gold effect as well. So I'm going to put some music on, and then I will see you at the end for the finishing touches. So now that the alcohol inked backgrounds are all done, I'm going to be adding these shamrocks from Dollar Tree. They came in a pack of a bunch of them. I forget how many, but I decided to add the lighter green on here because I felt like the dark green got lost in the background. Like, it worked, but it didn't work. But I really liked the lighter green. So I'm just adding that on with the Nouveau Deluxe glue. And then to make the shamrocks stand out a little bit, I went ahead and grabbed the Spectrum Noir marker in True Black because it was handy on my desk. You could definitely use a black permanent marker or whatever works on the more glittery paper or foam. These are like foam pieces, whatever works on that foam texture. And I just also want to say that these shamrocks look like the glitter is going to get all over the place, but I was surprised that the glitter stayed on the shamrock and did not shed off. So that was definitely a plus. So I made 2 of these, as you can see, and you saw that process, and I'm just going to add that black outline to the second project, and that will finish up today's video and project. You could definitely add some string over top to add to your banner and finish it off, and I may go ahead and do that as well in the future, but I just actually hung it with a thumbtack on the wall, and I'll go ahead and insert a picture of these banners in my kitchen where I ended up decorating with them as well. But there are the finished banners. And yeah, so if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you join me here on my crafting journey. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now, and happy St. Patrick's Day.